So my mic went out and I had no idea. It's my first video, so I'm just gonna voice over it. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a beaded necklace, and you're just gonna need a few simple supplies. Right there is just some examples that I've made before, and it is super easy, super fun, and it might be tedious, but it's super fast because you're just putting beads on a string. I think the prep, how you want it, the sequence, whatever it is, really does take some detailing. Right here is just me showing you guys up close what I made before. I'm looking for scissors because I need scissors. You need a few different supplies. You're going to need pliers, plier cutters. You're going to need a wide nose pliers. You're going to need wire string, which is what I'm showing you right now. And I got that off Amazon. I got a 6-pack for, I think, $12.99 on sale, but it's usually $16.99. And then you're going to need beads, of course. You can also use fishing wire, which is a certain type of string some jewelers use for very dainty, flowy necklace. Wire string is sometimes a bit stiff, but fishing net, it really does give a nice finished look. Gonna need pliers. These are wire cutters. They snap through wire. They snap through chain. These are the nose tooth pliers I was talking about. You're going to need 2 different pliers, and then you're going to need crimping, a crimping tool, crimping plier, a heavy duty one, as you can see. Got that off Panda Hall Beads, which is my main source of all my materials. And that's just me showing you jump rings. You're going to need jump rings for sure. Right here is just me figuring out what type of beads I want to work with. I'm showing you very tiny beads because tiny beads are very tedious to work with. And so you do need to keep in mind, if you want to work with tiny beads, your project is going to take a bit longer because they fly everywhere. They're hard to grasp. The holes are much smaller. You might not want to use wire string. You might want to use fishing net string because it's super thin and it'll get in most bead holes. You need some bead pickers, bead tweezers, so you can I don't work with them per se unless I'm sorting out my beads. Sometimes if you're working with very small beads, you want to do that. This is a chain link. Now this is going to be the beginning part of the necklace, and it gives some length to your necklace. It also makes it look super sleek and professional, like it was made by a jewelry designer, which you are if you're making your own jewelry. Now this is this is a different type of clasp. That's the lock and hold hole clasp, but we're going to be working with a lobster claw clasp, and I'm going to show you that right now. I had a bit of a struggle trying to show you, but that is what I'm going to be working with. There are various type of clasps that you can use, but I usually prefer to use that. So also something else I'm looking for, the pendant. Of course, I was just about to mention it. So you also need a pendant. That's not the pendant I'm going to work with. I'm just choosing what pendant I like the most. Hi again. So, of course, the mic wasn't working because I had no clue. So, it's just me showing you off the necklace that we made together in our tutorial and just wrapping up the video. It looks super good. I also put seed beads in between the little spacer beads we worked with, or I worked with, while I'm showing you how to do a beaded necklace. I overall love the design. This is the chain link at the back, super sleek, super effortless. Looks very beautiful. And that is the necklace. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you guys try it out. And I will be making a lot more tutorials. I'm going to show how to make a fully chain necklace, but like in a sequence with beads. And that's actually super fun and super rewarding and profitable if you are trying to start up your own small business, or if you have a business selling necklaces and you want to get a little bit more creative with what you do. I'm very much going to get into making a lot of DIYs, how-tos, reviews of certain companies and items that I buy. And I also do makeup, and I have a great skincare routine. I think I'm going to show that a little bit. But I had so much fun. Thank you so much. And subscribe, like, and share if you liked it.